Hello everyone. In today's video, I will going to show you how we can stop weird sound while debugging the Android application. So as you can see, when you start the emulator, after a couple of debugging session, it started to produce some sound, weird sound. So I have searched the internet and I have found something like this, the setting. So it was happening because of some touch sensor sound. So what I did is I go to the setting, and inside that setting we need to go to the sound and notification, and from there we need to go to other sounds, and here you need to disable this. And some most of the time it was because of this, but it will be good if you disable all the sounds, and it will not produce any sound after that. So it might not stop like right now, so you can just restart this device from here, and then when you try to run it again, it will just stop that weird sound. So I hope you get some idea how we can do that. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.